I'm an addict for Snickers.
Sneaker addicts! We got a package from Foot Locker. They seen the video from last week, loved it, and they said, you know what, we're gonna send you another box. So I am so happy to get another box from Foot Locker. Thank you so much. And this was such a surprise, like getting it this soon, you know, because I mean, it's really a blessing when I get these sent to me. And thank you all, the viewers, because without you guys watching, you know, none of this would be happening. So I don't know what is in this box, and I'm opening it with you all. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Dude. Don't even say it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting this feeling right now. Look at this. Guys. Do you see this? Oh my goodness. It says from Foot Action, actually. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at this wrapping paper. It's freaking awesome, the wrapping paper. I mean, I love Jordan, so you know, like just the wrapping paper. I've never seen nothing like this before. How cool is that? I don't know if you can actually buy this stuff, but if you can, I'll link it in the description box. Look at even the ribbon is really awesome. Like, this is awesome. I just want to hug this. I haven't even had the chance to open it, but I was at the mall earlier today, and I struck out, believe it or not. I can't believe I struck out on the app. And I guess, you know, I thought that they made so many pairs, it wouldn't have been such a big deal with getting them. But they are flying off the shelves everywhere. And, man, we got them right here. It's definitely them. I'm seeing this right here. I mean, obviously it's them. But, wow. I'm like, I just can't believe it. Unbelievable. This is an amazing gift. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. We got the Air Jordan Concords, man. Holy moly. I am so happy right now. This is so crazy. So look at it. Let's check them out together. I'm so happy right now. I'm bad happy. I'm sorry. So you got the OG box right here. You got your Nike branding right there. And then you have your tag right there. And let's check out the shoes together. I'm so damn happy, man. So inside you have this like black plastic. That's how they did it back in the days with the Jordans. And we'll take a look. Oh, what's this? It's got these bags right here. These are sick. Check out these dust bags, man. These are tight. I love that. Check that out. It's got that tag right there. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever. Michael Jordan, of course. I mean, really, is there anyone better than Michael Jordan? No, not in my opinion. Some people that are close to it, Steph Curry, LeBron, but besides that, man, there's no one like Mike. Mike is the man, the GOAT, the greatest ever. And these shoes are one of the greatest ever. The Concords, baby. With that OG cut. And I just happened to have the last time they released here. So you can see the difference in the cut. So this will be a nice little comparison right here. As you can see, the difference on the cut way higher with this patent leather versus on these, it's a lower cut. You see you got your little Peaks Widow right there. Rope laces. Now the rope laces on this shoe is supposed to represent the basketball net. That's what the rope laces on this is supposed to represent. For people, if you don't know, now you know. And then you got your tag, of course, right there. You got your 45 on the back. How about that? You know, Jordan retired. He came back with that 45 on his chest. Major deal because of the fact that they have never ever released with the 45 on the back, ever. We've seen samples. I remember Drake pulled out a pair a couple of years ago, and you know, people were like, yo, are they coming out? Because usually when a celebrity gets their hands on them, shows them off on the IG or something like that, on the gram, then, you know, it's kind of the brand just like throwing it out there, you know, throwing that little pass and letting them just put it out there that it's coming. And it finally is here. We see it. You see it. We got the 45 right here. And last time they released, bang, 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 you had the 23 on the back. So really cool to see the 45 because, you know, when Jordan came back, he rocked the 45. I dig it. I really, really dig it. I love the OG cut also. I think that the OG cut is a really nice touch to these. Definitely. Really nice touch. And the craftsmanship is really nice on them. I'm looking right now. You know, guys, I keep it 100 with you all. You know, I gotta let you guys know if the craftsmanship is, as I like to say, crapmanship. But this is A1 right here. It really looks great. You see it, you know. You see it with me. And I'm not mad at it, man. I'm actually really, really thankful to have these right here. I'm so thankful to have them. So, you know what we gotta do? We'll close it out with me rocking these on feet. Thank you. Thank you so much. Foot Locker, Foot Action. The box said Foot Locker. The tag said Foot Action. Whatever the case is, thank you so, so much. I really, really mean it. I really, really mean it. I love the fact that I got these today because, as I said, I went to the mall. They didn't have them anywhere. I thought I was going to be able to just whistle through on the mall and pick them up like the Space Jams when they came back. But that wasn't the case. So, you know, you came through in the clutch, and I really got to thank you, and everyone else over at Foot Locker. Thank you so, so much for the love, because this is some love right here. And also, one thing about these, I'll show you real quickly. It does have your shoehorn. Some people, like, you know, they're kind of disappointed it didn't come with that like pull box, but I prefer the like OG feeling box. Like, keep it OG. I personally prefer the OG box. That's me personally. Leave that in the comment box below. Do you guys like that slide box, or do you like the OG boxes? You prefer that? Leave that in the comment box below, because I will be reading all the comments, and bang that thumbs up button right now. And if you got nothing to say, just show some love, right? I'm an addict for sneakers. Yes, I'm sure most of you are out there. Let me throw these on feet and show you what they look like. Like, I know one is in the building, and we got the Concord 11s. You look like you're cold. Come on, you wanna go inside? You're shivering. Go inside, boy. I know you guys like seeing Katie in the video, but it's a little cold today. We're supposed to get actually a lot of snow where I'm at. I'm pretty sure like a foot of snow, which is crazy for the south. And man, these look so great on feet. I can't believe it. I love the OG cut. You know, I grew up watching Michael Jordan play, so I like it to be at its purest form. And this is that right here. Never released with the 45 in the back, though, as I was saying. And man, they just look amazing. They look fantastic on feet. And it's such a clean, clean pair of shoes. I hope everyone was able to buy their pair that was able to get them today. And I would say definitely head over to your local retailers like ASAP, because, you know, not everyone always picks up when it has to do with the raffles. So I recommend going around 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, or call, you know, Foot Locker, Foot Action. Check out if they got pairs that weren't picked up. I would definitely recommend doing that ASAP. But I mean, online, they just flew off the shelves today. I did do a vlog earlier today, and we went to all the stores, man. None of the stores had them. They were all sold out. It wasn't like the Space Jams. When those came back out, they had pairs available, like tons of pairs for the day. But this, I think that 45 is what really knocked it out the park. People need that 45 on the Bizak right there. Before we go, you know, I gotta hit you with that infamous bird's eye view. Also, I got my new Sneaker Addict t-shirts. Support the channel by picking one up. That will be linked in the description box below. Once again, thank you so much, Foot Locker, for these shoes. For real, like, you totally made my, I can't even say day, like, week, possibly even month. Like, you really just brought a lot of joy to your boy Delz's life, this sneaker addict. Much love out there. We out.